Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all good. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you enjoy what you're about to see. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to my hair appointment. So I got a new wig and I decided to get someone to install it for me. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. If you know me, you know that I do my own hair, so yeah, me going to someone is just me trying to see what someone else can achieve on my head. Also, there's a first time for everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will leave all the details down below and on the screen and so on and so forth. But yeah, enjoy the video. So I am back home. Wait, look at me talking to you guys with my dry lips, child. Let me moisturize my lips quickly and I'll be back. Sorry, but like, are you guys seeing this? Like, are you actually seeing how ridiculous this is? Sorry, I'm so obsessed. Like, I actually can't even stress that enough. I love it. I love it. But yeah, the hair is from this Instagram page that I found called Her Cabello UK. That's where I got the hair from. It is transparent lace, 13 by 4, 30 inches of water wave, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. Guys, wait till I do my makeup. Are you dumb? Like, are you actually dumb? Wait till I do my makeup. But like, otherwise the hair has been laid to the gods. Like, she slayed this. She really did this, and I'm so impressed. As a first timer of getting my hair installed by someone else, I am very impressed. And yeah, I'm just so happy that she was happy with me filming this for you guys. She was a very lovely girl, very lovely girl. So if you do end up finding yourself in Coventry, definitely try and get your hair installed by her, because this is actually has to be a joke. It actually has to be a joke. Wow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for more content, I guess. Stay blessed and beautiful. Bye.